Coinbase among them. It is falling ahead of those results. Analysts are preparing for a steep drop in revenues. Let's bring in Dan Ives of Wedbush Securities. Has an outperform rating, and $75 is the price target on the stocks. Good to have you on Closing Bell as well. I mean, the stock's up 80%. 80% coming into this report. Really?
Look, I think right now it's really, I mean, the street's expecting to rip the Band-Aid off quarter in terms of trading volumes. But I think what we're seeing across risk assets is there's some sort of stabilization going in 2023. And I think this is a big quarter for Coinbase. And I view it almost a fork in the road here in terms of how they navigate that call.
Yeah, I mean, what about competition? I mean, I've got a lot of things on my list, right, of worries, theoretically, that don't seem to be worrying you. With the outperform rate, I got competition, right? We're talking about Fidelity and others. Regulatory crosshairs, what's being talked about now. And by the way, the surge in crypto to start this year, I mean, the word on the street is that that hasn't been led in any way by the retail investor, which would play right into Coinbase's hands. In fact, it's been the opposite. You have no concerns about any of that?
Oh, clear concerns. I mean, there's dark clouds everywhere you look, right? I mean, for them, it's really, can trading start to come back? They cut costs. Is that stabilization in terms of cash per share? Then you have the other businesses that they're starting ramping up. I think those are the bigs here going in 2020, but no doubt. I mean, there's still a lot of wood to chop here. Our call here was just, it was way overdone. You've had a huge rally to start the year, but no doubt it's a prove me stock, and it is a seminal quarter.
I mean, go down 85% last year, up 80 to start this year. And how much of how you view this company is tied to where crypto goes in the near term?
Well, look, I think crypto is clearly key in terms of levels we're seeing there. And, obviously a lot of, I think what I view is sort of going forward, they need to prove not just from a trading perspective, but they could ramp institutionally as well as their other businesses. It's also about blockchain in terms of the broader strategy. And I think that's why 2023 is going to be a significant year one way or another for Coinbase. We're more optimistic, but no doubt there's clearly some tough days ahead here they have to navigate.
I hope you don't miss our exclusive interview tomorrow. Speaking of Coinbase, by the way, legendary short seller Jim Chanos will join us in the Closing Bell coming up tomorrow. Cannot wait for that interview. We'll see what Coinbase has to deliver and what Mr. Chanos has to say about it. We're also walking you up to Palo Alto Networks. It's been your quote-unquote table pounder, right, out of the cybersecurity space. What are you looking for here? Another stock that's gone up a lot this year to start things off.
Yeah, look, Scott, if you look at cybersecurity, that has been really a rock Gibraltar sector in terms of what we're seeing spending. That here, I think Palo Alto could be 25, 28% type billings growth. I expect positive guidance. Our checks have been strong, specifically on federal. It's a double table pounder. I mean, this is our top cybersecurity name, along with names like Zscaler and CrowdStrike. And I think that's really what's proven during earnings. Cybersecurity is really just a massive area of strength, despite many skeptics going into the year.
I mean, I know you like it, but frankly, I mean, how can anything be a table pounder in this environment? Doesn't that sound dangerous to you?
Oh, yeah. I mean, look, I think it's been a dangerous market for the last 6 months. But when I look at the free cash flow, I look at the threat levels that we're seeing around the world, and I look how Palo Alto is based. I think there's a stock that's much higher over the next 3, 6, 9 months. And also, I think that you can also, in cybersecurity, it's an underinvested sector where I think many sort of went negative over the last 3, 4 months. And that's why it's our favorite subsector, along with cloud, of tech overall.
You worried, though, that if there is a pullback in, these more growthy names, which have run a lot, that this is just going to get caught up in the downdraft? It's a shoot first, ask questions later sort of market.
Oh, clearly. I mean, that could clearly happen. But our view is not for the next day or for the next week. Where is the stock in the next 9 months, 12 months? Palo Alto's been one of our favorite for, really for many years. And I think this is a stock in terms of cyber, it's still being way discounted relative to the growth opportunities. And that's really across the sector of cybersecurity. That's really been what's proven from Fortinet to Checkpoint. We believe Zscaler and CrowdStrike as well.
I'm gonna let you run. We're going to see what happens in just a matter of moments with both Coin and Palo Alto. That's Dan Ives of Wedbush joining.